Hi guys, welcome to day 7 or vlog 7 of vlogmas, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. This is a channel where I've been doing vlogs for a majority of this year anyways, but I've never done it to this degree where I'm dedicated to making vlogs every single day of the week no matter what. So if you are into vlog content, if you want to watch vlogs and stuff, please subscribe to my channel. So yeah, now that little note is out of the way, if you're a regular subscriber of mine, then you already kind of know my story, know what I've been going through this year, what the ups and downs of this year. And by the way, check out, this is my beach hair, y'all. This is my beach hair. So basically, I have not showered since coming from the pools / beach, like the rock pools and beach yesterday. So I was in the water, I was in the figure 8 pool, and I just let my hair dry, like air dry. And this is the result. I love beach hair that I have. It suits me so well. It's like so natural. It's like, I don't know, it just makes me feel like I'm really part of the earth, part of this world, part of the natural world, whenever I just let my hair be this way. So I'm gonna head to a Starbucks soon because I really want a cold minty chocolatey drink, as long as it's vegan. I hope that they have vegan options for that. But last I recall, they did have options for that, so that's good. But nature, okay, so yesterday when I was out hiking and near the ocean, and not really having too much reception around me, and just getting back into a more simple place and surrounding, and just seeing how beautiful Earth is, it really it took away the sadness that I was feeling, and I think it's not just the fact that I went out for a good hike, and went into the ocean a little bit and just was enjoying myself and being with a friend, and took that took part in why I'm feeling a lot less heavy now. I went with one of my best friends, and I just started talking to him about, what was going on in my head for the last month or something, the trauma that I've been carrying around and dealing with, and it just felt nice to finally just say it out loud to somebody other than my mom or something, which, I don't know, it's different, because of the secret that it is. It's different when it's my mom compared to talking about it with a friend or something. I just feel like I really decluttered. I decluttered what's been going on in my head. And because he's actually experienced in this line of trauma, because he is kind of he's going through some of the same things, so he's talking to professionals about what I'm going through, and he helped me get some understanding of what's going on with me, and that I'm not alone, and there are other people suffering from these kind of things that happen. So just speaking about it helped. Being in nature helped. And also getting in touch with my creativity. Like we took a couple of photos by the beach and stuff, and I needed that. I need to create things, to feel like I'm doing something. That vlog I put out, as well as the photos that I now have to post out on my Instagram, so that I can share the poetry that I've been writing, or write more poetry, because those photos make me feel something, and when I'm feeling something, my best poetry comes out. So having all of that in one day, long road trip to somewhere that is natural, that isn't like just sitting at home or going to like a shop or something, being in the water. If you know me, I call myself water angel sometimes. That's because like when I'm in the ocean and stuff, I feel like a mermaid. I feel like a mermaid, and I feel like it's my home because I'm a water sign. I have a lot of my placements are around like water, water rising, water sun, water Mercury, water Mars. So yeah. Nature heals. Nature really heals. Like, there's something I think that like a lot of people are depressed because not a lot, but I think one of the like most authentic cures to depression is like, sorry, I think that's my brother. Okay, anyways, I think one of the most authentic cures or solutions to just decluttering your mind, or getting some of the weight that you are carrying around, is returning to a natural place, like going hiking, being in nature, if you can anyways. Sometimes people don't feel like it when it's like super cold out and it's winter and stuff, but especially in the summertime, always go to like beaches and stuff, go to parks, not just man-made places like the shops and stuff like that. Like, yeah, going out and getting fresh air and being around other humans does help, but being around nature is a lot more powerful. And I don't know when I forgot that. I think when in my 1 month of feeling like I'm drowning, I forgot to go into the ocean and drown instead. Not literally drown, but like, and swim instead. Sorry, I was trying to be poetic there, but I failed. So yeah, I think that's like the intro kind of ish of the vlog. Now I'm gonna go head off to the Starbucks, and I'm gonna vlog a little bit in the drive-thru, and yeah, be right back. Okay, so I'm nearly at the Starbucks, and holy hell, this place is bringing back memories, because like I used to work around here. Last summer I was working around here, and I really loved what I was doing. But obviously, after all this like virus shit hit, I kind of had to give it up because it just wasn't like worth it anymore. Which is okay, I guess. Everything's just like, everything going wrong is just redirection in disguise. And I don't know, sometimes I get caught up on my ego and I forget that. Okay, so I'm at the drive-thru. Damn it. I said cow's milk in the fucking drive-thru. Jesus. I mean, I shouldn't care, but I get self-conscious sometimes about it. Because I don't want to be on activist mode all the time. Okay, so I'm sitting at the drive-thru of like, while they're making my drink, and they have like, they blended the milk in a dairy blender, and like, okay, so now I'm gonna have to see if I'm gonna have to get mad. Nope, I think that's definitely oat. Yeah, because there was this one time, that's definitely not cow milk. So there was this one time where I had to stop for a truck. There was this one time where I had to where I accidentally drank cow milk instead of like plant milk, nut milk. And holy fuck, you guys, you can really tell the difference after a while. You can, I felt like I could taste the disease. Not even exaggerating. It tasted like disease. Which I know, that sounds so fucking dramatic. But once your palate changes and stuff, and you're not used to animal-based food anymore, you really start to taste the difference from what is food and what is a body, or what is something that came out of a body. And sometimes it still triggers me whenever one of my family members is making something that is derived from animals. It's a weird thing to do after spending so long having gotten used to not taking anything from animals. There was this one moment, one day, when my mom had to make something like a traditional meal from the flesh of a cow and the flesh of a lamb. Hold on, I'm gonna cancel this out for a sec. So yeah, there was this one day where Mom had to cook something derived from animals again, and yeah, so she did it, and she took it to her friends and stuff. But because nobody in the house wanted to really eat him or her or whatever, it just sat there in the fridge for a week or two or something like that. And because like this COVID stuff hit, and we were like kind of forced into our homes a lot more, we became really like sensitive and tolerant of each other. And because like my stance with this whole thing is a moral, ethical stance, so I kind of had a stronger argument than they did, and I think that they realized that. So we stopped buying animal flesh as much, or at all, basically. So when we went for a while without that. Very rarely, very occasionally, because my brother was not vegan, he would buy something completely based off of animal exploitation. And yeah, we could actually kind of like smell the death. Because, like, even my mom, my non-vegan mother, could smell it. She asked me, what is that smell in the fridge? And I said, Mom, it's the body part of a dead animal that's laying in our fridge. That's laying in our fridge, you know. And she was just like, oh, why do you have to be so smug all the time? And like, I repeated myself. I stood strong and I said, I'm not being smug, I'm just telling you what it is. And she went quiet. So you can really, like, after some time of being, like, disconnecting from that that part of the world where, you know, like, it's so normal to just eat animals and stuff, you really do see how fucked up it is. And how not normal it is. I swear to God, test it out for 6 months. Don't buy animal flesh. Really, like, just distance yourself from the smell. And to the point where you're not even smelling it anymore, to it being normalized or whatever. And then go back to it after 6 months, like we did. Just have it sit there in the fridge, see what it, like, smells like. If you can't smell anything weird, then I don't know what to tell you, but we did. I mean, if my non-vegan mom, who doesn't even understand the philosophy, the arguments, or anything like that, can start to kind of understand, I think anybody can. Okay, so that's the end of the vlog, because I'm about to get home. But yeah, like this video, subscribe, leave me a comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.